Hi everyone, in this class we'd like to present you the importance of communication teamwork forward a successful project. This class was made by me, Francisco Petronio, by Elton de Santos Sereno and by Paulo Sérgio de Santos Jr. In this first slide, we want to show you different mistakes that team workers has faced in their organizations. About classic project mistakes. Despite of regarding all these 10 mistakes very important, we choose to talk more about lack of communications. In this class, it's just more the lack of communications that we consider one of the biggest problems that the team members has faced in organizations. Wow, this picture is very interesting. It has been used by computer science teachers for a long time. If you pay attention, this picture tries to symbolize the lack of communication among members of a team, in this case, a software development team. Each picture represents a different view about the software meaning, since how the user necessities was understood by analysts and by programmers, until how the software probably will be delivered to the final client or to the final user, passing for all stakeholders involved. The next slide lists 9 reasons that affect the communication within team groups. This list was made by John Miller, and if you are interested on the last slide, you can see the reference for the paper that this slide and this class was based. For each of these reasons, the author presents solutions that should be followed by the team to solve that problem. For the problem of the lack of communications goals, the author proposes that brief and daily meetings between 15 minutes. For the problem of group diversity, the author proposes build a respectful environment among team's members. It's very important to provide confidence to all the members and stakeholders involved in the project. For the problem entrenched fiefdoms, the author proposed that information needs to be accessible for everyone. Information must be easy to find and available in an easy way for everyone use that information. For the problem that stakeholders don't know what they want, the author proposed that the project goals and requirements needs to be clear for all stakeholders. Everyone involved with the project needs to know what the project needs and requirements. Without this, it's impossible to work in team, as a team. For the problem of different frames of reference, the author proposed to foster a project problem through visualizations. Why? Because using visualizations is it's more easy to unify the project understanding for everyone. For the problem of time to talk versus time to work, the author proposed that getting enough talking time to make the project a success. Not just to work. The team members can't work every time. They need to have time to talking because this is extremely important for the success of the project. For the problem stifled communications, the author proposed that the manager needs to foster the opportunity for everyone expose their opinions and suggestions. For the problem of ineffective feedback, the author proposed that the team members need to consider the user as a member of a team. And for the last problem about the lack of involvement, the author proposed that every stakeholder must remain involved and committed. This means that the team members try to involve everyone to reach the compromise and engagement toward the goals.